Hello kids, welcome to Tonton Kids channel. Today we are going to make the drawing of Rebecca Rabbit, which is shown in the cartoon of Peppa Pig. So kids, let's start drawing straight lines. First start with the feet and slowly join all the lines. When the drawing of Rebecca Rabbit is complete, draw a carrot in its hand. After that, make its eyes. Now make its mouth. Now make its ears and tail. In this way, the shape of the face will be ready. Tell us how it looks. If you like the drawing, then like it. Woo, its eyebrow is looking very good and eyes too. Whoa, Rebecca mouth is so small. We will start filling colors. First, give light yellow color to its ears. Now keep filling color in its face slowly. Keep in mind that the color should not come out. Face will be ready soon. You have to carefully fill up colors inside the black line, for which we will first fill color inside the black marks. Now complete the remaining area as well while coloring. Now color its hand, then color the feet. I forgot to draw tail, but you have to focus. Fill its nose and mouth with pink color and cheeks with pink color as well. And color the shoes with pink color as well. Now color the carrot peach. And now color its root green. Now it is the turn of its clothes. We will fill the color of the clothes with dark blue color. In this way, our drawing is getting ready. Fill the remaining space with the help of dark blue color. Now complete the outer line with the help of a dark black pen. Tell me how it looks. If you like the drawing, then like it. Subscribe and share it with your friends. To watch new videos like this, subscribe to our channel. We will all meet again in a new video. Until then, bye-bye.